It's Marissa, and thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I straightened my natural hair and got all this body and bounce. So I've already washed and conditioned my hair using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo and conditioner. For my leave-in today, I'm going to use the African Pride leave-in cream. This stuff is super moisturizing. I've used this on my channel quite a few times, so I'm not going to take a lot. For heat protectant, I'm using Silk Elements. So I think I'm just going to do the tension method and do one side at a time. If you don't know what the tension method is, I'm just pulling my hair and concentrating the heat at the root to get my roots as straight as I possibly can. And after I do that for a while, I will follow up with my dimming brush to further straighten my hair. I have my blow dryer set on low speed, medium heat. Once I complete the full half of my head, I'm just going to add the pick attachment and further blow dry my hair just to see if I can get it a little straighter. If you're anything like me, this is the hardest part of straightening my hair, and it is the most important part, I feel like, because if you're able to get your hair as straight as it possibly can be with the blow dryer, it just makes the straightening process so much easier. Okay, so now that we're done with that, it's time to get into the straightening. I'm using my GVP flat iron that I got from Sally's. I think it's supposed to be like a generic chi, and I have that set on 400 degrees. So just tap the flat iron at the roots a couple of times to get it straight, and then I use the chasing method with the rat tail comb. So basically just run the flat iron down your strand behind the comb. There's a cameo from my boyfriend. And I'm constantly combing with this little fine rat tail comb to make sure I'm not leaving any kinks or anything at my roots. And this is how we're looking thus far. We're doing okay. The comb's running through with no problem. Fast forward, our whole head is done. You didn't need to see all of that. It's pretty repetitive. And I'm about to attempt to trim my ends, more like a little dust. I just don't trust myself to give myself a full-blown haircut, but I feel like cutting off, doing a little dust here and there is better than completely neglecting my ends. They do need some TLC. I have no strategy or real method to this. I'm just sectioning my hair and just giving it a little dust. I was kind of struggling to do this. I think I was trying to use my left hand, which I am not left-handed, and my boyfriend had to come help out. He's so helpful. So I've clipped away what little hair I'm going to cut, and I'm done pretending like I know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to switch up my part and start styling my hair. Also, let me know in the comments if you would like to see how I maintain my straight hair, and I'll record that for you guys. This is my first time using the Even New York 24-hour edge tamer, and I must say I really like it. It held my edges all day long. So this pretty much concludes the video. This is our finished look. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Share it with somebody, subscribe if you aren't, and I'll catch you in the next one.